Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change passcode on iPhone from 6 digits to 4 digits. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and put the settings app. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on face setting and passcode. Then type in your iPhone passcode. On the face setting and passcode page, scroll down, locate and click on change passcode. Now enter your current iPhone passcode. Here you'll be prompted to type in your new passcode. Click on passcode options, select 4-digit numeric code. Now go ahead and type in your new iPhone passcode, repeat the passcode, and then hang on for this to change your iPhone passcode. Once your iPhone passcode is set to 4-digit numeric code, then you are good. So that's exactly how to change passcode on iPhone from 6 digits to 4 digits. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.